You know, I used to think the stock market was only for Wall Street insiders, until I discovered how AI can do 90% of the hard work for you. Imagine having a tool that researches stocks, analyzes risk, tracks performance, and even suggests what to buy, all in seconds. That's the power of AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest money in the stock market using AI, step by step. No fluff, no hype, just real tools and strategies you can use today to start growing your wealth. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, this video is your roadmap to AI-powered investing. Before you even think about buying a single stock, we need to talk about your why. Why are you investing in the first place? Is it for early retirement? A down payment on a house? Your kid's college fund? Defining your goals is crucial because it determines your investment timeline and risk tolerance. And guess what? AI can help you create a personalized investment plan. Tools like ChatGPT or FinChat.io are like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Here's how it works. Go to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Create a stock market investment strategy for a 35-year-old earning $5,000 a month with low to moderate risk." You can adjust the age, income, and risk level to match your situation. The AI will then generate a detailed investment roadmap tailored to your needs. It'll factor in your income, goals, and time horizon to recommend an asset allocation strategy. Think of it as a personalized blueprint for your investing journey. Now I know what you're thinking. AI telling me how to invest? Sounds risky. But here's the thing. AI isn't replacing your judgment. It's simply giving you data-driven recommendations and helping you make more informed decisions. Plus, you're in control. You can adjust the AI's suggestions based on your own research and risk tolerance. The key is to use AI as a powerful tool to enhance your investment strategy, not dictate it. Now that you have your investment plan, it's time to open a brokerage account. But not just any brokerage account. You want one that seamlessly integrates with AI tools. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a smartphone without internet access, right? Similarly, your brokerage account should be equipped to handle the future of investing AI. Platforms like SoFi Invest, Wealthfront, and even Robinhood, with the help of ChatGPT plugins, are leading the charge in AI integration. These platforms either have built-in AI features or allow you to connect third-party AI tools. So what are the benefits of using an AI-integrated brokerage account? First, it automates many investment choices. Based on your risk tolerance and goals, AI can suggest suitable investments, saving you hours of research. Second, it simplifies investing for beginners. If you're new to the stock market, all the jargon and charts can be overwhelming. AI-powered platforms break down complex information into easy-to-understand insights. And third, it helps you stay disciplined. Remember that investment plan we created with AI. An AI-integrated brokerage account can help you stick to it even when emotions run high. If you're looking for a truly hands-off approach to investing, robo-advisors are your new best friend. Powered by sophisticated algorithms, robo-advisors leverage AI to manage your portfolio from start to finish. Think of them as personalized financial advisors, minus the expensive fees and fancy suits. Companies like Betterment, Ellevest, designed specifically for women, and Acorns are some of the big players in the robo-advising space. Getting started with a robo-advisor is incredibly easy. You'll typically answer a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Based on your answers, the AI will then allocate your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs, stocks, and bonds. But it doesn't stop there. Robo-advisors continuously monitor your portfolio and automatically rebalance it to manage risk. Let's say the market takes a dip and your portfolio's asset allocation gets thrown off. The robo-advisor will automatically adjust your holdings to maintain your desired risk level. This set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing is ideal for busy professionals, beginners, or anyone who wants to grow their wealth without the constant monitoring and rebalancing. Now, if you're more of a hands-on investor who likes to pick individual stocks, AI can still be your secret weapon. There are incredible AI-powered research tools out there that can give you an edge in the market. One of my favorites is FinGPT. It's like Google search, but specifically designed for stock analysis. You can ask FinGPT questions in plain English, like what are the growth prospects for Tesla, or analyze the financials of Apple. The AI will then scour through mountains of data, including financial statements, news articles, and social media sentiment, to provide you with concise and insightful answers. It's like having a team of analysts at your fingertips. Another powerful tool is Kahoot, which uses AI to assign a chi-score to stocks. This score, ranging from 1 to 9, predicts a stock's price movement over the next 3 months. A higher score indicates a higher probability of the stock going up. And if you're looking for in-depth investment theses, Seeking Alpha Premium offers AI-generated reports that analyze a company's earnings, growth potential, debt levels, and valuation. These reports can save you hours of research and provide valuable insights to inform your investment decisions. Timing the market is notoriously difficult, even for seasoned investors. But what if you had an AI co-pilot to help you navigate the ups and downs? That's where tools like TrendSpider and Trade Ideas come in. These platforms use AI to analyze technical indicators, chart patterns, and market sentiment to identify potential trading opportunities. For example, TrendSpider can automatically detect support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, and trend lines, giving you visual cues for potential entry and exit points. Trade Ideas takes it a step further by using AI to simulate thousands of trading scenarios and identify high-probability setups. It's like having a supercomputer scan the market for you 24/7, looking for the best times to buy and sell. Now, I'm not saying you should blindly follow AI signals. It's crucial to do your own research and understand the rationale behind the AI's recommendations. But by incorporating AI-powered technical analysis into your strategy, you can gain a significant edge in timing your entries and exits. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked investment strategies is dollar-cost averaging. It's the simple yet powerful concept of investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. The beauty of dollar-cost averaging is that it takes the emotion out of investing. You're not trying to time the market or panic selling when prices drop. Instead, you're consistently investing, which helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. And guess what? AI can automate this entire process for you. Apps like M1 Finance and Stash allow you to set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. The AI then takes over, adjusting your investments based on your chosen asset allocation and risk tolerance. This ensures that you're consistently investing and taking advantage of market fluctuations without lifting a finger. Protect your investments using AI alerts. In today's fast-paced market, information is key. You need to stay informed about events that could impact your investments, and AI can be your eyes and ears in the market. AI-powered alert systems can monitor news feeds, social media sentiment, and even regulatory filings to identify potential threats and opportunities. For example, AlphaSense uses natural language processing to analyze millions of documents and notify you of any news or events that could affect your portfolio companies. Similarly, Yahoo Finance AI and TradingView AI alerts can track market volatility, sudden drops in stock prices, and news specific to your watch list. These alerts allow you to react quickly to market-moving events and protect your investments. Now, I'm not suggesting you become glued to your screen, obsessively checking every alert, but by setting up relevant and timely notifications, you can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions when it matters most. Track and optimize your portfolio with AI. Once you've set your investment plan in motion, it's important to regularly track your performance and make adjustments as needed. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, your investment portfolio requires ongoing optimization. Thankfully, AI can be your personal portfolio manager, providing you with data-driven insights to boost your returns. Platforms like Portfolio Pilot offer AI-powered analysis that helps you identify areas for improvement. For example, Portfolio Pilot can tell you if you're overly concentrated in a particular sector, taking on too much risk, or underperforming compared to benchmarks. It can even suggest alternative investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Another great tool is Sigma, which uses AI to assign a score to every stock in your portfolio based on a variety of factors, including growth potential, valuation, and financial health. This score-based ranking system makes it easy to identify your strongest and weakest holdings and make informed decisions about rebalancing. Closing recap, your AI-powered investing toolkit. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've gone from defining your investment goals using AI to tracking and optimizing your portfolio like a pro. Remember, 1. Define your goal using AI. Tools like ChatGPT and FinChat.io can help you create a personalized investment plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. 2. Use smart brokerages. Choose a brokerage account that integrates seamlessly with AI tools like Sophie Invest, Wealthfront, or even Robinhood with ChatGPT plugins. 3. Trust robo-advisors. Consider using robo-advisors like Betterment, Ellevest, or Acorns for a hands-off AI-powered approach to portfolio management. 4. Research stocks with AI. Leverage AI-powered research tools like FinGPT, Kahoot, and Seeking Alpha Premium to gain an edge in stock selection. 5. Monitor trends. Use AI platforms like TrendSpider and Trade Ideas to analyze market trends, identify potential trading opportunities, and time your entries and exits more effectively. 6. Automate your investing. Set up automatic contributions and dollar-cost averaging with AI-powered apps like M1 Finance and Stash. 7. Get real-time alerts. Protect your investments and stay informed with AI alert systems like AlphaSense, Yahoo Finance AI, and TradingView AI alerts. 8. Track and optimize like a pro. Use AI-driven portfolio management tools like Portfolio Pilot and Sigma to monitor your performance, identify areas for improvement, and optimize your returns. The future of investing is here. The smartest investors aren't the ones with MBAs. They're the ones who know how to use AI to make money work for them. AI is democratizing finance and giving everyday investors like you and me access to tools and insights that were once reserved for Wall Street. The future of investing isn't just smart. It's automated, intelligent, and accessible to you. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these AI-powered tools and take control of your financial future today. And remember, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI-powered investing, personal finance tips, and strategies to build wealth in the digital age.